This is a guide on how you can register on Reddit. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step would be opening the Reddit app. First of all, you have to download it and then you have to open it. After opening it, you'll get three options. You can either use your phone number to log in, you can either use your Google account to log in, or you can use an email or a username. So let's just say we're using a Google account, all right? After choosing your Google account, you'll be transferred on this page. You have to click on continue creating an account and then wait. So on this page, you get the option to choose a username. So you're gonna type a name. I'm typing deep_rezo. Alright, it says great name, it's not taken, so it's all yours. Now, there is this chance that if you enter a username, so let's just say I say Adam, alright? Yes, Adam. Look at that, it says that username is already taken. So you can't really use a username that is already taken by someone else. So you have to choose something which is unique and which is only used by you. So let's just say you want your username to be Adam. So I'm gonna add some numbers after that. So let's just say 9, Adam 9. It's already taken. Let's say 9864. All right, it says great name, it's not taken, so it's all yours. All right, so yeah, basically you just have to make it unique so nobody else has it. After choosing a name, I'm gonna do this. All right, after typing in your username, click on continue. After choosing a username, you'll be transferred on this page, and this is basically the home page of Reddit. This is the basic format which you'll see after logging into your account. Okay, so let's go with the options on the bottom. You'll see a lot of options here. The first one is home, which is the home page. You'll see a lot of posts here from different subreddits. By the way, the communities on Reddit are called subreddits. All right, so yeah, these are all the posts in a subreddit or something. For let's say this is a subreddit India Social. The one between is subreddit UPSC, and there's a lot of it. Okay, these are all the posts. You can just scroll through them